The future isn't coming. It's being built right now, inside labs driven by innovation and imagination. Every component you see is designed with extreme precision, measured, tested, and perfected. Metal structures are assembled, piece by piece, forming a body that will soon move like a human. Inside, advanced processors and microchips are carefully placed, creating a powerful brain capable of learning and adapting. Thousands of circuits connect, electricity flows, and for the first time, the system begins to respond. Sensors activate, eyes light up, and a machine starts to understand its surroundings. From lines of code to real-world movement, intelligence slowly comes alive. Step by step, motion becomes smoother, actions become smarter, and technology becomes almost human. This is more than engineering, more than innovation. This is the birth of the future.